decide what does success look like for you, or what is a goal that you might want to try to accomplish. And remember, you get to the imagine, that's when you start dreaming about what that would feel like or look like when you achieve that thing. And then plan is when you write your SMART goal.
Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. You have to make sure that your goals are specific. You have to make sure that your goals are measurable. You also have to make sure your goals are attainable. You have to make sure you have the right motivation, something that will keep you going.
The last step of the engineering design process is to improve. I believe it's the most important step. And for this step, we have two questions. What are the next steps if the plan did not work? What are the iterations?
We have experiment. How will your plan lead to your success, and how will you implement your plan? A plan gives you a sense of purpose and direction, which keeps you motivated and on track.
Can you get like one person from each table to present what they shared and what they talked about? I guess we'll start with this table right here. Press this button right here.
Imagine if you all were the ones standing up here giving the presentation, right? They're students just like you. So put yourself in their position, okay? All right.
Table in the back with the pink water bottle. Talk to your partners and ask yourself why business plans are necessary for loans.
And how do we take steps to reach our goals?
Great ideas. Also, hopefully you can remember that there is a pattern that you can follow to achieve a goal. And one of the biggest things is making sure it's a way to measure it, right?